Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Avowed not launching on Game Pass on Windows 11. First, sign out and sign back in. Open the Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon and sign out. Do the same in the Xbox app. After that, sign back in using the correct account that has your Game Pass subscription. Next, repair and reset the game. I do not have the game installed, but these steps are the same for any app. First, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Avowed in the list, click on it, and go to Advanced Options. Click Repair first. If the problem is still there, click Reset. Now, repair gaming services. Open the Xbox app, click on your profile, go to Support and select Gaming Services Repair Tool. Run the tool and let it complete. This will fix issues with the gaming services that Game Pass relies on. After that, reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key, type WS Reset and run it. A command window will open and close automatically. This clears the store cache and can fix download or launch problems. Thanks for watching.